Go. I am Dr. Jacqueline Regina Mary, Associate Professor of Physics, Jayaraja College. Today we are going to learn about 4 kinds of forces. Mechanics tells us about how the system behaves when it is subjected to forces. There are 4 kinds of forces that are known to physics. I list them in the order of their decreasing strength. First and the foremost is the strong force, and the second one is the electromagnetic force, third one is the weak force, and the fourth one is the gravitational force. The strong force exists between a proton and a neutron in atomic nucleus, and they are held together by the strong force, which are of short range. They are extremely short range, we don't feel them. And the second one is the electromagnetic force, that is the dominant force that exists in our daily life. This electromagnetic force are some 10 power 42 times stronger than the weak force. And the third weak force exists between a radiation decay, and that is also a short range force, but their strength is weak and we don't feel them. And the fourth one is the gravitational force that exists between huge mass concentrations, that is between sun and earth. So these gravitational forces are very weak and very feeble, we don't even notice them. And the electrostatic repulsion between two electrons is 10 power 42 times greater than the gravitational force. And these electromagnetic forces are the one which are known familiar to us, and they take place in every actions of our daily life. So let us proceed to calculate and understand about the Coulomb's force. The Coulomb force is a force that exists in an electrostatic field where point charges could be occurred, and this electrostatic field is assumed to be the stationary static field where number of point charges are the sources of this electrostatic field. Let us consider 2 such point charges which are named as QA and QB. They are separated by a distance of separation as r. So the Coulomb's force relates the electrostatic force of repulsion or attraction between these 2 point charges to the point charge's magnitude and their distance. So this Coulomb force is named as F. This F is proportional to the product of point charges QA and QB, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. When we remove this proportionality by a constant K, and that constant K is experimentally calculated to be 1 by 4 pi times epsilon naught, where this epsilon naught is called as the absolute permittivity, and its value was found to be 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. So the F value is equal to 9 into 10 power 9 into QA QB by R squared, where you could imagine the strength of this Coulomb force by the power 10 power 9. So this Coulomb force is an electrostatic force that exists between 2 charges. That value is enormous when we compare this to the gravitational force, where the gravitational force value, when you calculate between 2 point charges and also 2 big masses, it comes around to be 10 power minus 11. So when you compare these 2 magnitudes, we would be able to appreciate this electrostatic force, which are enormous in nature and their strength is greater. Thank you.